Are you looking for a small Nutribullet blender to make smoothies and shakes quickly? In this video, we've selected the most powerful, practical, and easy-to-use models. All links are in the description below. To make the right choice, you should consider the motor power, blade quality, and cup capacity. We've chosen the 3 most efficient small Nutribullet blenders. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to discover more useful appliances. Here are the 3 best small Nutribullet blenders, from the most affordable to the most powerful. First, the small Nutribullet Magic Bullet Mini Blender stands out for its compact size and design aimed at simple, fast use. With a power output of 200 watts, it delivers enough performance to blend fruits, vegetables, and various ingredients in just a few seconds. Weighing under 1 kilogram and standing around 29 centimeters tall, it's easy to store and ideal for smaller kitchens. Its single-speed operation makes it perfect for anyone looking for a straightforward, hassle-free appliance. The BPA-free plastic cups, with resealable lids, allow you to prepare and take your blends with you, adding to its convenience. With a capacity of 300 milliliters, it's perfectly suited for single servings and quick daily use. Next, the small Nutribullet Original 600 blender stands out for its 600-watt motor that ensures fast and even blending of fruits, vegetables, seeds, and other ingredients for smooth and tasty results. Its 600 milliliter capacity is ideal for generous servings, whether for one person or to share, while maintaining a compact 30 centimeter height. Weighing about 1.5 kilograms, it remains easy to handle and doesn't take up much space. The BPA-free plastic cups, available in several sizes, come with airtight lids so you can take your blends anywhere. This model combines ease of use, durability, and versatility, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a practical and efficient blender for everyday use. Finally, the small Nutribullet Pro 1200 blender is designed for those who want to combine power, capacity, and versatility in their kitchen. With a 1200-watt motor, it easily crushes nuts, seeds, and ice, guaranteeing smooth, consistent textures. Its large 900 milliliter capacity allows for generous portions for 2 people or meal prep for the day. Despite its power, its compact design, around 33 centimeters tall and weighing about 2 kilograms, makes it convenient for daily use and easy to store. Multiple speed settings and a pulse function offer precise control over texture, making the appliance even more versatile. The BPA-free plastic cups with airtight lids enhance convenience, allowing you to take your smoothies or soups on the go. This model perfectly balances performance and practicality, meeting the needs of the most demanding users. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.